Today, I'm going to guide you through how to install Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. If you're ready to upgrade your browsing experience, or you just prefer Chrome for its speed and features, stick with me, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll have Chrome up and running, and you'll know how to set it as your default browser if you like. No technical experience? No problem. This process only takes a few minutes, and I'll walk you through each step. So let's dive right in. First things first, since Chrome doesn't come pre-installed on Windows machines, you'll need to get things started by opening up Microsoft Edge. Edge is the default browser in Windows 10, and it's ready to go straight out of the box. Just click the blue E icon down on your taskbar, or search for Edge in your Start menu. The reason we're using Edge is simple. You need a browser to access the web and download Chrome itself. Now, once Edge is open, head over to the official Chrome website. This part's important. You want to make sure you're getting Chrome directly from Google, not from a third-party site, for security reasons. In the address bar at the top, type in google.com Chrome and hit enter. This will take you to the official download page. If you're ever unsure, look for the little padlock icon beside the address, just to double-check you're on a secure site. On the Chrome website, you'll see a big, clear Download Chrome button. Go ahead and click it. The site automatically detects you're using Windows, so no need to worry about selecting the right version. After you click to download, you might see a pop-up asking if you want to save the installer file or run it directly. Either option works, but I like to choose Save File. This way, you'll have the install file handy in your Downloads folder in case you want to reinstall later, or share it with someone else. Once the download finishes, check your browser's downloads list or open your downloads folder on your computer. You'll see a file named something like chromesetup.exe. Double-click that file to start the installation. If you get a security prompt from Windows asking if you're sure you want to run this program, just click Yes. This is just Windows making sure you're not installing anything suspicious. Now the installer will do its thing, and Chrome will automatically download and install the latest version. This step usually takes just a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. You'll see an installer window and you won't need to do anything else except let it finish. If it seems to be taking a while, don't worry. Sometimes background updates make things a little slower. Once it's done, Chrome will pop right open with a friendly welcome screen ready for you to start browsing. Here's an optional finishing touch. If you want Chrome to be your default browser, meaning it'll open automatically whenever you click links or open new web pages, you can set that in Windows. Just open your computer's settings. Go to Apps, then Default Apps. Find Google Chrome in the list and click Set Default. This little step saves you time in the future and makes sure Chrome is your browser of choice. And that's it. You've just installed Google Chrome on your Windows 10 machine. Easy, right? If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or you ran into any hiccups, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this. Happy browsing!